In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Pipedrive. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Let's dive right in. First, from your Pipedrive homepage, take a moment to locate your profile icon. You'll find this conveniently positioned at the top right corner of your screen. It's a small circle that typically displays your profile picture or initials if you've not yet uploaded an image. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu, offering you several options for managing your account settings. Once the drop-down menu is open, go ahead and click on Personal Preferences. This section is your gateway to customizing your Pipedrive environment to better suit your personal workflow and preferences. It allows you to modify various settings, but for today, we're just focusing on changing your name. Now, within the Personal Preferences area, you should see your current name displayed. Simply click on your name, and you'll notice that it becomes editable, much like the text in a word processor. Here, you can backspace to remove the existing name and type in your new desired name. Whether you're updating it completely or just correcting a minor spelling error, Pipedrive makes this process straightforward. After entering your new name, the crucial final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located near the name field. It's important to click this button to ensure your changes are recorded and reflected across the Pipedrive platform. Without saving, your updates won't take effect, so make sure not to skip this step. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name in Pipedrive. This simple process can be completed in just a few minutes. It's a useful skill to have, especially if you ever need to update your information due to changes in your business identity or personal preferences. If you ever encounter any issues or have further questions about Pipedrive, remember that their support team and community forums are valuable resources. They're there to help you make the most of your Pipedrive experience. I hope this guide has provided clear and helpful instructions for changing your name in Pipedrive. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day, and keep being efficient with Pipedrive.